Hey guys, it's Carl from the HID Factory, and today I have a Chevy Z71, I'm sorry guys. And so what we did on this vehicle, we have a grill light controlled by remote. Again, this is an RGB kit, so it can be any color you want. And again, it's controlled by remote, so you're able to turn it off and on through the remote, or we can have it Bluetooth if you'd like. On this vehicle, we also did the interior. Again, RGB, remote controlled. So for people who don't want the remote, people just want to have everything done to the phone, we're able to do that too. This kit, it could either be installed or you can buy just the kit. We can have it shipped to you. You can install it yourself. And one more thing we did with this customer, he wanted to go ahead and have a switch panel so he didn't forget to leave his grill lights on or off. And so as you can read, it actually has, it'll let him know which one it is: grill lights, interior lights, bumper lights. So we're able to install these as well. Okay. So any projects you have, anything that's coming up, you can check us out online at thehidfactory.com, or go to our YouTube link. It's YouTube The HID Factory. Subscribe, the subscribe button here down to the left corner. Just hit that, like, subscribe, and we can push out more videos, guys. Thanks again.